Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we have another topic. Not a topic, it's basically a question arised by one of our YouTube viewers who have comment on my last video in which I have told you to how to create a messenger lead campaign in Meta Ads account. And the comment is how we can see the actual lead and how we can figure it out whether this message is coming from ad or normal message, or this is a normal message. Because in messenger campaign, people will, like visitors who will see our ads and want to get our services, they will direct click on the messenger button and message us directly on the Instagram and Facebook Messenger. So we need to figure it out, like how we can see whether it's coming from paid ads or it's coming from like normal message. So we need to figure it out, and that is the question that is arised by YouTube viewers. So in today's video I will let you know how to check that, how you can check whether it's a person is coming from ad or it's a person who normally message you through the Instagram Messenger. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you. Now we are on the Meta Ads Manager dashboard, and as you can see, we are already running a leads messenger campaign in our Meta Ads account, and we are getting so much, like there are a lot of leads that are already coming in, but we need to figure it out which lead is coming from like paid ads and which is a normal message. So how you can figure it out, how you can check the chat, there is an option already present in the Meta Ads Manager where you can check it out. And for going to that option, you just need to go to the all tool section, and once you go to the all tool section, there are multiple options present here, like ads manager, events manager, audience, business support, home business setting, ads reporting, and also there are multiple more options that are coming in. But there is an option which with the name of inbox. As you can see, this is the option which I'm talking about, inbox. You just need to click on that and open it on a separate tab, and once you open it, it will be open in a separate tab where you can see like what kind of messages, what kind of chat we have done with that particular client, which message is coming from paid ad, which message is normal message. Everything will be see here. You can check it out whether the message is coming from Messenger or Instagram. As you can see, now the dashboard is open. All the messengers, like if the leads come to the Facebook Messenger, it will be showcased here, and if the leads coming from the Instagram Messenger, it will be showcased here, and if coming from Facebook app, WhatsApp app, so you can check it here, and it's coming from Facebook comment, Instagram comment. So all the messages that are coming out through the like people, whether it's from paid ads or from a generic like normal ad, whether it's any comment or anything, you can show everything. You will be showcased here, and you can check it out whether it's coming from paid ads. So now the main question which the like YouTube visitor has arises is, and that is how we can check whether it's coming from paid ads or a normal message. So as you can see, there is an ad ID. If a person contacting us through the like ad and click on the messenger button and then then conversate with us, so in that case you will see the ad ID. Okay, as you can see, ad ID. And if the message is normal message, then you can see there is no like ad ID present here. As you can see, the chat on which ad ID is mentioned, as you can see, only those chat are the ones which are coming from the paid ads. So this is how you can rectify like whether the message is coming from paid ads or it's a normal message. So everything will be showcased here. You can check it out, like which which message is coming from paid ad and which is from normal message. And as you can see, you can also check the chat as well. You can see whether that client is converted or not. You can see the full chat history, like what kind of things they have been discussed, and in that way you can actually know the quality of the leads, and in that way you can also optimize the campaigns in a better way. When you see the quality leads, if the lead quality is less, you can more work on the audience segmentation and the other optimization techniques. You can change the creatives and other things as well. So everything will be depend upon the chat, like what kind of audiences you are getting from the campaigns. So this is how we do it. This is how we can check like whether the like message is coming from the paid ads, and this is the question which the YouTube visitor arises. And I think now I have answered it. I have answered everything which is mentioned in that particular comment. So now I want to say like, yeah, the person who have commented, please see this video so you can get your answer. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.